Greetings all of you out there in YouTube land. This is Shaker 1967 coming to you from Colorado, south of Denver on I-25. As you can see, this is what I'm dealing with. I've been dealing with this ever since I got onto I-470 East toll road, and it's just bad all around. I mean bad. At one point I had to stop under an overpass to wait out the worst of it, which was total white out. That really bothered me. And I mean bothered me. But right now, I decided to go ahead and start moving again. It's just as dangerous for me to move as it is for me to sit still on the side of the road. So, therein lies the problem. I'm trying to get to Fountain, Colorado. I was supposed to have been there at 5 in the morning, but yeah, right. Sure. I'll sell you that one for $1. But it's just blech right now. I mean, this is a driver's absolute worst nightmare possible. And that is snow with ice underneath of it. Now, a lot of trucks have come through here with chains on. I've got chains, but I don't know how to put them on. So I'm going to have to be shown how to put them on in case I need to get out of here and have those darn things on. But for now, I'm taking it easy. I'm taking it slow. I'm not about to wind up a bloody statistic, at least I hope not. My speed is about 27 miles an hour, 26 miles an hour, somewhere in there. I mean, it's just, God, man, here it is. You know, near springtime, but I'm in the mountains. So. Not only did old man Winter spit all over everything, but he's shaking his dandruff all over everything. This makes for a very bad time. Well, that's all I've got. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video now and concentrate on what I'm doing. So y'all have a good day. Peace.